So let me show you how to change the default keyboard on your Samsung phone. So this is very simple. Before you can change the Samsung keyboard, you need at least more than one keyboard. Now, obviously your phone comes with two keyboards. That's the Samsung keyboard, and then you have a Microsoft keyboard. And also you can go ahead and install other keyboards. So for instance, I have Gboard installed on this phone as well. So to change the default keyboard, simply swipe up and go to settings. Under settings, scroll down to general management, tap on that, and then tap on keyboard list and defaults, and then you should see default keyboard, and you can tap on that, and then you can change to either Gboard. You can see I'm currently on Gboard. You can change to Microsoft Swift keyboard or the default Samsung keyboard. Now, since I want Samsung keyboard, I'll just select Samsung keyboard, and I'm going to use that as my default keyboard. Now, if you want to change from Samsung keyboard, again, you come back here and then change to something else like Gboard. As soon as you change, that's going to be the active keyboard next time you go and open up an app that uses a keyboard. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.